I really knew that I wanted to work at a company like kind of Google or Amazon or Apple. I kind of had that in my mind, and I thought, how can I get those jobs?
We're Nimble. We're fourth year students at the University of Bristol, and we've just finished the computer science degree program. And we're here to talk to you about our wearable. It's called the Nimble Band, and it allows you to log into any computer.
By the time I got to university, I'd had some programming experience, and I hadn't really met very many other people that were the same. I was able to talk to people about programming or kind of coding generally. I realised that I was passionate about it, and I was also good at it. In second year, we had a software product engineering kind of group project. We were trying to find ways to kind of increase the energy efficiency of portable devices like laptops, and that was working with an external client from IBM. We've done a lot of teamwork throughout the degree. You learn to be able to explain quite complicated ideas to a group of people, or sometimes just to one person as well. And being able to do that is a really important skill that they look for in interviews. In the third year, we did the group games project, and we built a game using the Oculus Rift. And we said to one of the academics in the department, oh, you know, it'd be really cool if we could get a hold of one of these. And they turned around and said, yep, no problem. And we were all just like, okay, cool. And we ended up making a game with the Oculus Rift that set two astronauts in space on a space station, and they had like 5 minutes to get off the space station before everything blew up. And they were all immersed in the kind of space station, and there were people back on Earth as well in like a control room environment that were navigating them outside of the space station and going through like a maze. And that was a 6-7 person project, so it was a lot of work as well, but we had a really, really good time. For our final year project, we built both a wearable device and a kind of cloud-based operating system. We had people doing cloud back-end systems, we had people doing the kind of front-end JavaScript, HTML experiences, we were designing hardware, and we were also doing a lot of embedded programming. And that's really where I came into my forte, because I really enjoy taking pieces of electronic components or kind of microchips and things and getting them to talk to each other and interact. We had cryptography chips talking to a microcontroller that handles Bluetooth Low Energy.
We also think passwords are really outdated. Why should you have to memorize difficult passwords for every screen you want to log into? Why can't it just do that for you? And it does.
We had an accelerometer that was detecting a double tap on the wrist. We had a proximity sensor, and there was just so much stuff going on. Now I'm going to Amazon for the next few years, and I'm working on something exciting and new, like their drone technology. It's going to give me a really good opportunity to kind of explore really cutting-edge technologies in teams of people that have, you know, PhDs or years of experience doing R&D at high-profile companies. I think you can apply to a lot of tech companies, but if you don't have a computer science degree, your CV probably won't even make their desk by any means. The computer science degree not only gives you the kind of academic toolkit you need to be able to survive in those environments and exceed in those environments as well, but it gives you, the team working skills and the leadership skills that you need to kind of grow in those companies and become successful.